Good morning and welcome to Your Next Car UK. It's James here bringing another video on a stunning BMW 335 diesel saloon. So guys, let's have a walk around the outside of the car whilst I talk you through some of the tech and options. So of course on this vehicle we have the Your Next Car Performance Pack, which is all fitted in-house here at Your Next Car, the home of the performance BMW. On this particular 335 we have gone for the all gloss black pack on the performance kit. It features a wide array of optional extras, including the stunning LED headlamps, which you can see in operation there. If I come on round to the side of the car, you can see the stunning 20-inch 666 competition alloys. These alloys are brand new with brand new tyres as well. It has the ambient lighting package with the underglow puddle lights underneath the handles as well. Inside the cabin we have the stunning Oyster leather, which in the front is heated. It is a really clean, tidy example inside and out. And if we move into the back, it's the same story again. On this particular 325 saloon, it looks like as if the back hasn't been sat in at all. It is a very clean and tidy example, as you can see there. And if we shut that, of course we have the M Performance side vinyls, side decals and the sidebars. And once again it's showing you off them lovely 666 alloys. Personally I think these look really great against the Astral Blue. Moving round to the rear of the car, we have the gloss black rear performance diffuser. Now if you haven't seen the boot space on the 3 Series Saloon yet, you will be quite stunned how large it is for a saloon vehicle. On this particular model it has the optional extra split folding seats, which I'll demonstrate for you in just a moment. Of course, we have the rear boot spoiler as well, which really does finish off the performance pack very nicely. Okay, so I'll just quickly demonstrate the split folding seats for you. It is an optional extra to have the split folding seats on the 325 saloons, and it is well worth having in my opinion for obvious reasons. So let's get on inside, start the car up and show you some of the more of the options in action. So we have BMW's business navigation and media package. So there we have your navigation, we have Bluetooth communications and media, we have the 8-speed sports gearbox with paddle shift. We have voice recognition, voice activation, and as you can see on the odometer it has only covered just over 23,000 miles, so a very low mileage example. Then we have the heated seats as I mentioned earlier. We have a full DAB radio and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. Of course AUX, USB. One very nice option that this particular 325 has is the heated steering wheel, as you can see there. If I just turn it on and off again, steering wheel heating activated. At this time of year this is a very nice option to have, as I'm sure you can all appreciate. It of course has front and rear parking sensors, and of course all 4 driving modes, automatic lights, automatic wipers, and all the usual luxury refinements that you would expect with a modern day BMW, as well as of course the optional extras I have highlighted for you today. So of course here at Your Next Car we are able to offer you some superb finance packages if they are required. For further details on them, please do give us a call on 0115 822 9431. For email inquiries, please do drop us an email at yournextcar@icloud.com. And as I say guys, for any further information please do feel free to give us a call on that number. And of course you can view up to 50 images of this particular vehicle, and including all of our other stock, on our website and on our Auto Trader page. Okay, that's going to be it from me here on the stunning Astral Blue 325 diesel saloon. Thank you very much, goodbye and have a great day.